Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show the solution to question 5c from a 2020 grade 9 internal math paper 2. So this question is on number bases. It reads, divide 1111 base 2 by 101 base 2, giving your answer in base 2. So at grade 9, division of bases has got two methods. So the first one is long division. You can use long division to divide bases that are in base 2 or numbers that are given in the same base. Or you can first of all change the numbers given in base 10 and then do the operation division in base 10, then change the answer that you get in base 10 to base 2, which I think most people find easier. So now in this video I'm going to show the second method. How do we divide 1111 base 2 by 101 base 2, giving our answer in base 2? So the operation is going to go like this. So division of bases in base 2 changing to base 10 is a process that just requires us to do this. So say C. So the first value given, 1111 base 2, each of these digits, 1111 base 2, we're going to multiply each of these digits by its place value in base 2 to change to base 10. So this process just requires us doing this. So we write 1 base 2 divide by 1 base 2. So what this means is the first digit, the place value of this digit in base 2 is 2 to the power 0. Then the place value of this digit in base 2 is 2 to the power 1. The third one is 2 to the power 2, and the last one is 2 to the power 3. So meaning each of these digits going to multiply by its place value. Also applies to the divisor. So the first one is going to multiply with 2 to the power 0, the 0, 2 to the power 1, and this 2 to the power 2. So the multiplication is going to go like this. So what is this going to give us? So we can just show the multiplication like this. So we're saying this one is multiplying with 2 to the power 3. So 1 times 2 to the power 3 plus 1 times 2 to the power 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power 0. So all this divide by 1 times 2 to the power 2 plus 0 times 2 to the power 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power 0. So this will give us 1 value, and this also will give us 1 value, which we're then going to divide. So getting the values, this is just equal to 1 times 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2, meaning 2 multiplying 3 times, and that gives 8. Then plus 1 times 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 2 times 2. So 2 times 2, 4 times 1, 4 plus. So this one is 2 to the power 1 times 1. So what this gives is just 2 times 1, which is 2. Then plus 2 to the power 0, any number to the power 0 is 1, so this means we've got 1 times 1, which is just 1 here. So this is going to give us a value if we add there, but let's also first do the multiplication this side. What is 2 to the power 2? That is 4 times 1, that is 4, plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 times 0, that is 0, plus 2 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 is 1, so 1 times 1 gives us a 1. So now addition of what we get, 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 8 plus 4, that's a 12, plus 2, that's 14, plus 1, 15. So we get 15 here. Divide by, what is 4 plus 0 plus 1? That's 5. So what we're getting is that this 15 here and this 5, all these numbers are in base 10. So these numbers are in base 10. And division in base 10 is very easy. So how many times does 5 go into 15? So that just gives a 3. So 5 goes there 3 times, which gives 3 base 10. So when we get a 3 in base 10, what we are just going to do now is change this 3 to base 2, which just involves division of 2. So changing base 10 number to a base 2 number, or any base, you just divide by that base. So in this case, we're changing to base 2 because our instruction is give your answer in base 2. So what we're going to do is just divide by the base. So I'm just going to draw a simple table that is going to have 3 columns. Very simple table. So the first column is going to have number, then here we're going to say operation, then this is remainder. So what is the number that we're working with? So the number that we're working with is 3, and we want to change this 3 to base 2. So we're saying divide by the base, so 3 divided by 2. So we're going to be writing the remainders that we're getting from the division on the last column. So what is 3 divide 2? So 3 divide 2 gives a 1. 2 goes into 3 once, leaving a remainder of 1. So we take this one that we get from the division, so we get 1. 1 divided by a 2. So how many times does 2 go into 1? So 2 goes into 1 0 times, and the remainder is just 1. So this is what we get from this division. So dividing 2 into 3, which is in base 10, first of all we said 3 divided by 2, then it gave us 1, then that 1 we kept it, the remainder we wrote it this side, and then we divided the 1 which we got here, how many times it goes into 3 divided by 2. That 1 divided by 2 gave us a 0. It goes there 0 times, and the remainder is just 1. So how do we write the answer? So the answer you write from bottom to top. That's how you collect the numbers. So meaning 1 1. So this means that 3 base 10, when converted to base 2, it is 1 1 base 2. So what is our conclusion? So our conclusion is that this division that we have on top, 1 1 1 1 base 2 divided by 1 0 1 base 2 gives 1 1 base 2. So that is our answer. So 1 1 base 2 is the solution to the division of 1 1 1 1 base 2 divided by 1 0 1 base 2. Thank you so much for watching. look out for the solution to question 5D in the next video.